Hi, welcome to HardReset.info channel. The viewers in front of me, DOOGEE V Max, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on this device. So firstly, if you have the cover, you need to take the cover off, and then you need to open the USB charging port. So just open it, take the brush in your hand, insert the one part of the brush into the connector, and just gently pry the dirt and debris out. In this way, you will not damage your USB charging port because it's just a toothbrush. Toothbrush can't damage your USB charging port. Water resistant will still works because you will not damage your USB charging port, and you will easily clean your USB charging port, because toothbrush is the best tool to clean the charging port because it's soft, and in this way you can just really easy clean the debris from the deep of the port. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.